1. Wash the area. Use soap and water to thoroughly wash your stomach. Dry it off completely with a towel. 2. Mix the bleaching components. The bleaching cream product you bought should have instructions on how to prepare the cream. Mix the components in equal proportions. Any sort of commercial chemical hair bleaching product will work. Generally, your bleaching product will come with the bleach itself and some conditioner. You'll have to mix the bleach and the conditioner in a bowl. 3. Apply bleach to the area. Use the brush or spatula provided with the bleaching cream to apply it to the hair-affected area of your stomach. Leave the cream on for 5 to 7 minutes before continuing. If you've never used bleach to lighter your hair before, it would be wise to do a patch test before applying bleach to the whole area to rule out a potential allergic reaction. Just apply some bleach to a small patch of skin and wait 5 to 7 minutes. Then rinse it off and continue bleaching the rest of your stomach hair. 4. Rinse off the bleach. Remove the bleaching cream with warm water. The skin affected might look lighter than usual, but that effect won't last long.